So hello नमस्कार to the all chemistry lovers, doctors and engineers of the near future. मैं विजय कुमार सोनी आपका हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं केमिस्ट्री वाला चैनल रिगार्डिंग टू योर केमिस्ट्री। केमिस्ट्री में हम हर एक चीज को अब आगे बढ़ते हुए लेते हुए चल रहे हैं। एक एक टॉपिक हमने क्लियर कर लिया है। पेपर पेन वर्क आप लोग स्टार्ट कर दीजिए और ताकि ये केमिस्ट्री आपको इजी लगने लग जाए। बिकॉज ऑफ यहीं से बेसिक्स है, आगे नियर फ्यूचर में कंपटीशन एग्जाम और पर्टिकुलर जस्ट कंपटीशन एग्जाम में हर एक टॉपिक बड़ा ही इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करेगा आपके लिए, और बोर्ड में भी दिस इज ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट। इफ आई गो विद दिस देन टुडे विल गो विद द जस्ट योर some important compounds of this is some important compounds of halogen derivatives. Compounds of halogen derivatives. This is the halogen derivatives. If I go with this, then it will be discussion by the with the important topics as a first of all we'll go with the following important compounds. First of all, I would like to go with the just Ch2Cl2. This is called as dichloromethane or methylene chloride. Second important compound as a just haloform CHX3 as a haloform. And regarding to haloform, we'll go with the two important compound. One of the is your CHCl3 chloroform and another is your CHI3 iodoform. Now I would like to go with the further, that is the third compound as a CCl4. This is carbon tetrachloride. If I'll go with the further, then we'll go with the CFCs, chlorofluorocarbons, chlorofluorocarbons. If I go with the further, then we'll take just important topic, that is the DDT, dichloro-diphenoxy-trichloroethane, and the sixth compound is your BHC. This is also called as benzene hexachloride. These are the very important compound, and it will be just complete a lot of question regarding to your NCERT, not only in NCERT but also in competition exam. First of all, I would like to go with the just CH2Cl2. This is the very important compound, CH2Cl2. It is also called as methylene chloride. It is also called as dichloromethane. If I'll go with the just formation, then preparation can be as follows. Just it can be prepared either by chlorination of methane, or by reduction of chloroform. How? This is the suppose chlorination of methane, and this is the CH4. First of all, it will be use of Cl2. In the presence of H mu, here will formation of CH3Cl. This is the HCl. Second is your CH3Cl plus Cl2. In the presence of again H mu, here will formation of CH2Cl2 and HCl. This reaction takes place till the formation of carbon tetrachloride. So this is the CH2Cl2 and this is the again Cl2 in the presence of H mu. Here will formation of CHCl3 plus HCl. This is the fourth step as a CHCl3 reacts with the HCl to give in the presence of H mu as a CCl4 plus HCl. So this is the methods for the preparation of CS2Cl2. Here will formation of CS2Cl2 by the fractional distillation will separate the CS2Cl2 or just you can say dichloromethane or methylene chloride. Now the time to discuss about the just properties. If I'll go with the properties, then you can say it is colorless, you can say sweet smell compound, which is less soluble in water but much soluble in organic solvents. As a organic solvents, you can take just alcohol, ROH, and ether. This is the ROR and benzene C6H6. If I'll go with the uses, then it is widely used. It is widely used in paint industry, and you can say drug industry also. If we'll go with the just physiological effect, physiological effect of CS2Cl2, then this is the very important. First, it affects to the central nervous system. Just its exposure in air. Causes hearing and vision problem. मीन्स अगर एयर में एक्सपोज हो गया और तो ये बॉडी को काफी इफेक्ट पड़ता है. हियरिंग मीन्स कान के लिए नुकसानदेह है और पर्टिकुलर ईयर के साथ साथ आईज के लिए भी नुकसानदेह है. इट हार्म्स टू द कॉर्निया. इट हार्म्स टू द कॉर्निया को भी बंद कर देता है. और अगर पर्टिकुलर बात करें तो इसकी वेपर डिजीनेस और जस्ट डिजीनेस और हेडेक को क्रिएट करती है. सो यू कैन से इट्स वेपर causes dizziness and headache. So this was about the in deeply as a CS2Cl2 dichloromethane. See the matter properly. So now the time to discuss about the second important compound, that is the haloform. So if we'll go with the haloform, then haloform is just, you can say, common name of the trihaloalkane, especially trihalomethane. There are two of the important haloform as a CHCl3, you can say chloroform, and CHI3 as a iodoform. So listen me carefully. This is the next topic as a haloform. Haloform. Regarding to haloform, common formula is your CHX3, where X is equals to, you can take Cl and I. If you will take just as X is equals to Cl, then it will be your CHCl3, and for the just I, it will be your CHI3. This is called as chloroform, and this is called as iodoform. It is also called as just trichloromethane, and this is also called as triiodomethane. So I would like to go first of all with the CHCl3. It is called as common name chloroform, and IPAC name is your trichloromethane is the common name. If I'll go with the just CHCl3 chloroform, then first of all it will be following preparation methods. First is your from just you can say ethanol and propane to one, means acetone. This technique is also called as laboratory method. Because of yield आपको कम मिलती है. So for the formation of just CHCl3 chloroform, it will use of either, you can use just by bleaching powder. This is the bleaching powder. The formula for the bleaching powder is your CaOCl2. It's another structure, you can write it as follows: Ca, this is the OCl and Cl. It is also called as calcium chloro, just hypochlorite, or calcium oxychloride also. Bleaching powder, this is the just CaOCl2 on reaction with water. It gives CaOH whole 2 and 2 of Cl as a nascent chlorine. This is the nascent chlorine, and further if you will treat it with the ethanol like this, CH3CH2OH, this is the 2 of Cl, then here will formation of CH3CHO and 2 of HCl. Removal of these two alpha hydrogen take place. Further, this ethanol reacts with just you can say 6 of nascent chlorine. Again इस प्रोसेस को आप 2-3 टाइम रिपीट करेंगे तो HCl nascent chlorine का आपके पास में अमाउंट इंक्रीज हो जाएगा. So here will formation of CCl3 CHO plus, this is the 3 of HCl. This is called as chloral. Particular chloral को आपने further treat करवा दिया with the just lime water जो आपके पास में बन रहा है. This is the CCl3 CHO. This is the CHO. This is another molecule of chloral, CCl3CHO, and this is the, you can take just lime water, HO CaO, and this is the H. Here will separation of chloroform like this. Two molecule of chloroform. This is the 2 of CHCl3, and rest is your HCOO whole 2 Ca. This is called as calcium formate, and this is the chloroform. This was about the just by using ethanol. If we want to get just more yield of the chloroform, then to get more yield of CHCl3, they may use of NaOH and Cl2. How? Listen me carefully. This is the NaOH, two molecule of NaOH on reaction with Cl2. Here will formation of like this. One of the Na gives NaCl. The rest is your removal of S2O. This is the S2 and S2O. This is the another formation of NaOCl. It's a very important compound. It is called as sodium hypochlorite. Sodium hypochlorite. It was widely used during the corona period because of it is also used as a disinfectant. Sodium hypochlorite. If we will go with the further, then this sodium hypochlorite reacts with, you can say, we can use either same ethanol also, or we can use just acetone also. So I am going to take just CS3, CS2, and this is the OH on reaction with sodium hypochlorite. Here will require just two molecules. These 2 of H reacts with the 2 of Na. This is the CS3, CHO, 2 of NaOH plus your Cl2. And further, this is the CCl3, this is the CS3CHO plus, you can say 3 of NaOCl. Here will removal of the 3 of alpha hydrogen and formation of CH, you can say CCl3 chloral CHO, and it will formation of 3 of NaOH. This is the again chloral. This chloral reacts with the again, this is the CHO, this is the CCl3, this is your NaOH, removal of chloroform with the formation of HCOONA. This is the chloroform. By using just acetone as a CS3COCS3, we can get just chloroform also. How? We'll go with the just next slide. So Now I would like to go with the by acetone also regarding to first reaction. This is the acetone or propane 2-on CH3COCH3, 3 molecule of NaOCl. Here will removal of 3 of NaOH and formation of CCl3COCH3, 3 of NaOH. Further, CH3CO CCl3 on reaction with NaOH gives you chloroform. So this was about the first preparation method of chloroform, and rest is your CH3COONA. This is the chloroform. Chloroform. Now I would like to go with the second method. You can say by this is the second method is your by chlorination of methane. By chlorination of मीथेन के chlorination के through. So this is the CH4 on reaction with just Cl2 in the presence of light. It's a free radical substitution reaction, so it will formation of CH3Cl plus HCl. This is the CH3Cl again with the reaction of Cl2 H mu CH2Cl2 plus HCl. This is the CH2Cl2 reaction with Cl2. Here will formation of CHCl3 plus HCl. This is the CHCl3 plus Cl2 CCl4 plus HCl. So this was about the here will formation of CHCl3 will be in the form of mixture and will fraction distillation to the whole entire mixture, and it will be separation of the chloroform. Now I would like to go with the just next technique, that is the third method. That is the third method by reduction of CCl4 carbon tetrachloride. This is the CCl4. This is the 2 of H we can take in the presence of Fe and steam. So here will formation of CHCl3 by the removal of HCl, and this is your chloroform. Now the time to discuss about the just formation of further as a pure chloroform. So this is the third method. Fourth method is your formation of pure chloroform, and this is the fourth formation of pure chloroform. If we want to get just pure chloroform, then we can use chloral hydrate. This is the chloral hydrate can be used for the formation of pure chloroform. This is the CH, you can say chloral hydrate, CCl3CH. This is the OH and OH. On reaction with NaOH, here will be the separation of chloroform. This is the CHCl3. This is the removal of H2O, you can say. So this is the H2O and rest is your HCOONA. This is called as sodium formate. This was about the just preparation methods of chloroform. Now I would like to go with the physical properties. Physical properties. You can say it is CHCl3 is colorless, just mobile liquid, mobile liquid with pleasant odor, with pleasant odor. Second is your it is it is sparingly soluble, soluble in water, and much soluble in organic solvents such as you can say alcohol, ether and benzene. Just its inhale, its inhale causes unconsciousness. That's why it is used as just anesthetic compound. Unconsciousness, unconsciousness. That's why it is used as anesthetic compound during surgery, during surgery. So this was about the physical properties of chloroform and preparation methods of the chloroform. With the same topic, we'll go with the next video as a chemical properties of chloroform, and further we'll take just iodoform, and after then we'll take just carbon tetrachloride and BHC and just DDT and chlorofluorocarbon. Stay tuned. Just keep trust in the Chemistry Wala channel because of it's my promise to you to give you a maximum of your chemistry in the simplest language. And if you have any problem, you can share it through the comment box or just by WhatsApp number. Till then, shukriya, dhanyawad.